As you know, completing training alone doesn't completely ensure that forklift operators are competent. You need to also confirm that they possess the skills required to safely operate the specific equipment in your workplace. This is accomplished by conducting a practical evaluation for each operator. Practical evaluations include observing operators carrying out a series of forklift-related tasks, grading their performance, and then documenting the results. And once an evaluation is completed, you'll determine whether or not an operator has successfully demonstrated the skills required to safely operate the equipment in their work environment. Several standards and regulations specify that practical evaluations of forklift operators are required. For example, OSHA indicates that an employer shall ensure that a powered industrial truck operator is competent to operate a powered industrial truck safely, as demonstrated by the successful completion of training and an evaluation. It also states that training shall consist of a combination of formal instruction, practical training, and an evaluation of the operator's performance in the workplace. Additionally, the CSA B335 standard indicates the following. Following the completion of instruction and practice, all trainees shall be evaluated. The evaluation shall be conducted on the specific work tasks and using the classification of lift truck to which trainees are assigned based on the following items. Pre-operational inspection, startup, traveling with and without a load, load handling, load selection and security, load pickup and placement, stacking and destacking, driving on ramps and grades, personnel lifting, using elevators, shutdown, refueling and recharging. The practical evaluation process for forklift operators is usually pretty straightforward. You'll simply observe an operator performing duties on a specific piece of equipment in their work environment. You'll then grade their performance and document the results on an evaluation checklist. Once you've completed the evaluation, you'll determine whether or not the operator is competent and can operate the equipment safely. The topics throughout this lesson on practical evaluations will go over some of the most common forklift-related tasks that need to be evaluated. We've included a practical evaluation form that matches the tasks for your convenience. However, you can create a custom form to suit your specifics in your workplace if you like. Each forklift comes with an operator's manual that includes important information such as extent and details of pre-operational inspections, operating requirements, safety requirements, and other very important information about the truck. You should review the operator's manual for the equipment that you're evaluating an operator on before the evaluation. This will ensure that you're accurately covering all aspects related to that piece of equipment. Your operator should have also reviewed the material during the theory or on-the-job portion of the training. All right, now let's get into the most common tasks covered during a practical evaluation.